Hi guys, welcome to another one of my vlogs. Today what I'm going to be doing is unboxing a Belkin car cup mount holder for your mobile phones. The reason I went with Belkin is because first, it's a reliable name, so I know it's not just any generic brand that I found online and it probably breaks to pieces in 2 or 3 uses, which has happened before, so I thought I'd play it safe this time. But also because this specific cup holder, when you place your mobile phone inside, you've got the options to rotate the screen horizontally and vertically. The cup holder in my car is quite small, and this one, as you can see, is very slim. And if you have a look at the back of the box, you can see that it does actually expand as well, so it will fit different size cup holders. So what I'm going to do is we're going to unbox this first and have a look what's in the box. It's still sealed, I haven't actually opened it yet, although I've had it for a few days. I wanted to save it for this video. After we've unboxed it, I'm going to take it down to the car and we're going to install it, and I'll set it up with my phone and we'll see how well it actually works, and hopefully that it actually holds the phone in place. So let me just get this opened up and we'll take it down and we'll have a look. Okay, so I've got the box open. Unfortunately, I don't have a box cutter knife or anything like that, so I'm thinking about getting one, so I might actually do that if I do more unboxings in the future. So here we have inside, it all comes in a nice little carton. It's got the Belkin logo on the cardboard sleeve, which if we take off, underneath it's got instructions on how to install the cup holder in your car, which I think is quite nice because ordinarily I would have expected any generic brand to come with no instructions, just a cup holder. So there is the Belkin cup holder. As you can see, it's actually quite bigger than I thought it was going to be. Okay, as you see here, when you twist the neck of the cup holder, the bottom does actually start to come out. So this is how it expands. And as you can see there, it does actually expand out quite a bit. So that will fit cup holders of quite large sizes and small sizes, although I am still thinking it is a little bit too big, so I hope it fits in my car, but we're going to go have a look. It also through here, it's got a slot where you can slide the cables through, so that's some nice cable management there. The Belkin logo here on the front of the base is a nice matte texture to it, so it's like a non-slip texture. And also, as you can see, the sides retract, so they're big enough to hold phones of different sizes. Let me just actually put my phone in and I'll show you. Okay, and I think that fits quite nicely. And I've got a case on my phone which also helps with the non-slip, so to keep a good grip on your phone when you're holding it. So I think that might actually be a bit of an addition to the cup holder holding on to the phone as well. I don't know how well it holds on without the case, but the case is such a pain to remove from my case. I don't think I'm going to be removing it to test that. But as you can see, you can also rotate the device so it's horizontal and vertical. So I think that is quite nice. I'm pretty happy with it for what it is, to be honest. I'm gonna go take it outside, take it to the car, and let's get it set up, and we'll plug the phone in and we'll be right back. I'm in the car and I've got my Belkin cup holder, so let's see how well this fits, and I'll see if I can set it up with my phone. Actually, I can show you that before. This is what I was using. It's I believe it's called Thanos. No relation to the Avengers, but it was actually quite cool to have one called Thanos anyway. I have a particular color scheme which you can see in the background, red and black everywhere, so this is where I would use it, and having it there and with my phone, as you can see, it would block out too much of the screen, and to have it lower down it would barely be holding on to the phone, and aside from that it basically would be hitting the power buttons and the volume buttons there on the side, as you can see. So let's try the Belkin cup holder, and let's see how that works. So I've got my USB cable ready. So there is the cup holders underneath the console and before, just in front of the gear stick. So I will put the Belkin cup holder in there, and as you can see, if I zoom in slightly, it is a bit of a loose fit, so I will expand the base slightly. As you can see there, it's coming out, it's expanding. Okay, so there you have my phone inside. It's in the Belkin cup holder. The USB cable is plugged in there underneath, and also plugged into the car, and the USB cable fits quite nicely behind the phone. As you can see, there's the cup holder, the USB cable coming out from under the phone, and the phone here just sitting nicely, and I think that's pretty decent, if you can see there. I think that's quite a nice fit, to be honest. It fits nicely, it's not obstructing the buttons, just underneath the buttons, but I can move the phone down further, but I think I quite like it where it is, and it's a nice hold. Yeah, I am very happy with that, actually. I think that looks quite nice, and as I was saying, the reason I went with Belkin is mainly because of the quality, and I know the fact that if I go for one of these recognizable brands, I'm going to be getting the quality that I pay for. If you have any suggestions of anything you'd like to see me unbox, I'm more than happy to do so, of course. I do have more unboxings coming up, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like this video, and I hope you guys have a good day, and I will see you in the next vlog.